Hello, welcome to our Big 6 lesson introduction. I'm Ms. Gonzalez, your librarian. When it's time to do research, it's important to have some type of plan. So today we're going to learn about ways to plan out our research process using a process called the Big 6. We'll complete a pre-assessment, watch a couple of videos introducing the Big 6, talk about each step, wrap up our learning, and view a handout with information and resources. We're going to do all this because it's going to help us when we begin with our research. With the Big 6, we are able to meet different types of standards. These are the standards we're going to be focusing on. For the state standards, we're going to focus on 126.7.3.d, and it is to research and acquire information about a specific task using digital content. For the Common Core standards, we're going to focus on CCSS.ELA literacy, .R1.5.7, and that one is to use different digital resources to find answers to questions or to solve problems that we have. The next standard is ISTE standards, and we're going to focus on 3A, which is to plan and use effective research strategies to find information to help you learn or to help you create. And lastly, our 2018 AASL standards, we're going to focus on learners A.4.2, and that is that learners identify choices of information when they're in need of new information. So you may be asking yourself, what is the Big 6? What is she talking about? Well, today we're going to be learning more about the Big 6. It is a way of organizing the way you do research by breaking it down into 6 simple steps. We are going to go through each of those 6 steps later on in our lesson, but it's going to help you when it's time to begin our research together. Before we begin that lesson, we're going to start off with a pre-assessment. And the pre-assessment is based off the Big 6, and it's just for me to know where we're starting. I just want to get an idea of what you already know. Don't worry about it. Don't stress. It's not a grade. I just want to see where I need to start off with all of you. So in conclusion, today we're going to be learning more about the Big 6 concept, and we are going to begin by taking a pre-assessment before we watch a couple of videos that explain the Big 6 model more. Then we're going to dig into the Big 6, and I'm going to give you more details about each step. After that, you're going to be able to access a handout that includes information about the 6 steps and resource links you can access. To wrap it up, after the lesson, you'll watch a concluding video, and once you've learned all about the Big 6, you'll be ready to come into the library and get started with our research project. I can't wait to see you soon.